Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope all is well with everyone. And today in November in Alberta, it is a little wintry, so we won't be going very far for a bit. But that's all right. I thought I would take this opportunity to show you my latest addition to the car. Well, I guess I've had these for a little bit, but this is what I call my burner wheel. This is an American racing wheel. It's 19 by 10 inch. It's a very nice looking wheel. It's more of a flat gray, and the stock PP2 wheel is more of a gloss. And the reason I did this is if everything goes well, I'm hoping to burn a lot of tires. So I don't want to be the stock wheel by changing the rubber all the time. So I just got these PP2 knockoffs and I'm gonna go with that. And apparently you can mount as skinny as a 255 on this wheel up to a 295 wide. And right now I actually have a winter tire. I don't know, these tires are just a cheap classifieds private sale. I don't care, I'm just gonna burn them off anyway. Pretty cheap entertainment. 50 bucks for a couple tires. It's a case of beer around these parts. And this is way more fun burning tires than hanging onto a toilet boil in the morning, I'll tell you that. So hopefully I can access used tires fairly cheap. So when I'm going to do that, do some filming, burnouts and everything, throw on these bad boys, and then car shows, pulls on the highways down in Mexico, of course, I'll be throwing on those guys. So let's get the car off the ground and I'll throw this on. We'll see how it looks. And of course, the stock lug nuts wouldn't work. So I had to get these little, they call them tuner lug nuts, I guess. A little skinnier, a little smaller. So I had to use those. Okay, now that these are just finger tight, grab my handy dandy torque wrench here. I'm not a mechanic. I don't have the best tools. I have basic tools. Okay, slip on the old torque wrench. It should click. Yeah, there it is. Next one. Yeah. Nice. Torque wrenches are awesome. Oh. Nice. Well, it's on to my torque specs anyway. Let's get it on the ground. Actually, now that the car is off the ground, I do want to show you that this is a resonator delete and it has an X pipe. I'll try to get under there and show you that. And if I can get it on camera, I'll try to show you that broken wire that caused my active exhaust to not work. Okay, here we go. Got a light under there. I'll flip this around. Sorry if it's a little shaky, but clearly X pipe, you can see resonator gone. And X pipe, other than that, stock exhaust all the way back with the active exhaust. Unfortunately is not working right now because a wire is broken that I found. I'll try to show you that broken wire. So there is a green wire up there that I found that is broken. So I'm getting the active exhaust malfunction. So that's what it looks like with the American Racing wheel on there. Not too bad. And like I said, it definitely doesn't sit as far out. Doesn't look great, but these are pure burning wheels, so I'm not driving to Vancouver or nothing on these. I think they'll work out just fine. And I know you could also put a wheel offset in there. I don't want to deal with that right now, on and off. So I think I'll leave it like that, and can't wait till spring. Please subscribe and stick around because we're gonna have some fun. Getting back to the active exhaust not working, apparently it's important to cut the exhaust to the right length, because if you don't, those wires will rub. But I did some research, and in your fuse box, number 34, I disconnected the battery for the winter, and I don't feel like crawling through to get my manual, but it's in here somewhere. One of these, 34, it controls your valves or baffles, and you yank that and automatically opens everything into track mode, and it stays there. It says in the car that it's in normal mode, but it's definitely in track mode, and starts that way, everything. It's actually pretty awesome. But I will be getting that fixed because I do like having the option of that quiet mode in the mornings and when you're trying to be a little bit more quiet. But a little trick there to pull number 34, and you'll have track exhaust the whole time. I'll try to show you that it is in track. Yeah, you can see it in there. Fully open. Both sides. Yeah, it sounds awesome. Thanks for popping by and checking out this quick video, guys. I appreciate it. Please like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you in the spring to rip some tires. See you in the next one.